Hi guys, welcome to Asab training channel. My name is Asab and today as always I'll show you a super effective training strategy that will help me grow my deposit from $10 to $10,131 in just 12 minutes. It's so unbelievable, but we'll actually do it. Before we start, I ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and like this video because it is crucial for me. Let's get started. To begin with, let's set the parameters as I have them, time frames 30 seconds. Today we will be using the average true range indicators and ADX indicators. And so here we have the Euro-Japanese yen currency pair. ADX indicates a downward movement, so I enter a short position and a way to profit. Profit achieved, it's wonderful guys, as always. And change the entry deposit and just let's move on. And so now the Euro New Zealand dollar currency pair indicators show a bullish movement, so I enter a short position and expect a profit. Profit achieved, it is very good guys, and so I again change the entry deposit and let's move on. Next is Euro Turkish Lira currency pair. Both indicators signal a downward movement, so I enter a short position and expect a profit. Profit achieved, and we stay right here guys. I don't want to waste the opportunity and just wait and go just upward trend, because green candle show us a movement and just wait to profit. It is cool, profit obtained, it's wonderful guys, and we staying here and just waiting. So I go downward trend and expect a profit. Profit achieved, it is very cool. One currency pair and 3 trades, and so we staying here. Just change enter deposit and wait for such moment, and so I go downward trend and wait a profit. It is cool guys, profit obtained. So today's market very favor for us, and we're staying here and just wait. And so I go a downward trade right now and expect a profit. Cool guys, profit obtained. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Spots are limited. Come join us. Also, the first time you make a deposit on the best trading platform where I trade pocket option, you will receive plus 50% bonuses. Don't miss it. And so we change again enter deposit and just moving on. And so, we go a downward trend and expect a profit. And again, guys, our profit is obtained. So we just moving on. Now we have a pound sterling Australian dollar currency pair. And so both indicators indicated downward movement. So I enter a short position and expect a profit. And profit obtained is wonderful, guys. Very, very wonderful. And so moving on. Now the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Both indicators indicate a downward trend. So I enter a short position and await a profit. And so let's move on. And Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. And so both indicate similar downward movement, and I enter a short position and expect a profit. It is good, guys. Profit obtained as always. And so we move on. And again, Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. And so movement very crazy, guys. I just go downward trend and expect a profit. Everything is fine. Profit obtained, guys. This is very, very cool. Market very, very favor for us. I just watch on this picture and we're staying here, guys. And I go upward trend and expect a profit. Profit obtained at excellent, friends. And so we're staying here and I go a downward trend because indicator shows us a downward movement and expect a profit. Profit obtained, just cool, guys. Just very, very cool. Let's move on and GFGPA currency pair. It shows us an upward trend, so I enter a long position and expect a profit. Oh, good, guys, profit obtained, as always. I like this sound and I like this view, and so I think we're staying right here and we just will entering a short position and expecting a profit. Profit obtained, that is crazy, guys. And we moving on. Like before us, Euro Japanese yen currency pair. And so both indicators show a bullish movement, so enter a short position and expect a profit. Oh, guys, profit achieved and staying right here and going long immediately after the candle bounce and expecting a profit. It is very, very cool, guys. Profit achieved. And so moving on, guys, before us is a euro Turkish lira currency pair. Indicator signals a downward trend, and so I enter a short position and expect a profit. Profit obtained as always, guys. It's cool. So moving on. Now the Canadian dollar Swiss franc currency pair indicator show a downward trend, so I enter a short position and expect a profit. Profit obtained, guys. Cool. And so staying right here, entering short on the Canadian bonds and expecting profit. Guys, cash in our pocket. It is cool. It is very, very cool. And so moving on. Before us is Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, currency pair indicator show a downward movement. And so I will enter a short position and expecting profit. This movement very, very favor me. I like this movement, and so we're staying right here. Just wait our opportunity, and so I going short again on the candlestick push and wait profit. Profit obtained. That's cool. Staying right here again. Staying right here, guys. Just watch. And going short and away to profit. Profit obtained, guys. I like this currency pair. It is very, very cool. Cause I just will going again an upward trend and expect a profit, guys. Profit obtained. It is very, very cool. I like this currency pair, guys. We're staying right here again and wait and just wait such movements, and then go downward trend and away to profit. Very, very beautiful movements in this picture, guys. And again we achieved our profit, guys. And we just staying here and go upward trend and expect a profit. Profit obtained, guys. We have managed to grow the deposit from $10 to $10,131 in 12 minutes. It is mind-blowing. Where have you seen anything like this? Friends, if you watch this video until the end, you're already with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. To everyone, profit.